I'm fixing it. I'm filming it. Okay guys, this might be a common problem with your Chev, even other vehicles. But here we have a defrost wire that came off the glass. And probably because this is a little bit on the tight side, or it might be 30 below, but we're going to have to resolder it so it looks like that. So it's always fun soldering glass, right? I'm glad this isn't my car. Okay, so we're going to have to clean that up first. This too, clean it up a little bit. We want a good contact here. As best as we can, we have a one-shot deal. We don't want to heat the glass up too much. So I'll get some sandpaper, file, we'll get that cleaned up. There we go. Okay, let's attempt this.
You okay with that right there?
Yeah, I love that. Okay, take it off. It's not going on the... Can I get some solder on it? Oh, right there you should have been. We were right there.
Were we off a bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not cold. I don't want to push it.
Yeah, I know, right?
I just hit your... I hit your film. I don't know if one will be enough though.
Wow. Try it.
Let's try it, okay?
You tell me where.
A little bit further towards the driver's side. Yeah, perfect. Hold it there, hold it there, hold it there. Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. That's good and strong in the air.
I told you we had to go a millimeter to the north.
Yeah, okay. So obviously it's not adhering there, but what I can do, I can give you some RTV sealant. We'll put that on there right now, and that stuff just dries like really hard.
Yeah.
And that'll help at least hold that.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, once it's all dried, you can plug her back in.
Okay.
So let me go. Well, I think that's about all I can do for now. Let that cure, and then plug her back in. Just so you get a good connection, I'm going to put some dielectric grease there.